Hello guys, welcome to Generation Unravel. Are you tired of writing emails again and again from scratch? Oh, worry not, because in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can be able to use a plugin on Chrome Web Store, which is not this one. Let me skip over and search up email template, and you see this one, Gmail email templates by CloudHQ. You just need to click on add to Chrome and just add this extension to your browser, and it will honestly make things easier for you. It's now gonna reload your Google your Gmail, and now it's gonna introduce to you, welcome to email templates by CloudHQ. And this is really useful. Let me show you how it works. So this is a draft, but we don't use this, but as you can see, there's like new options now here on the editor, that even if you see it go compose, it's still here. Just click on insert template and you'll be able to add templates that you want. So here are some free templates, and out of these free templates, actually you can edit it and then add it to your own template or my templates. But let's just go head over to free templates for this one, which is very good. As you can see down here, these are some different templates here that's really good. And all you need to do is click on use this template, and it should add this into the email you're trying to write. And what's good is that it also has an editor, meaning you can edit some of the text that you have here. Just rewrite it, change the font, whatever you want. It's so good and so easy. And that is how you can add a template on your email in Gmail. I hope this video helped you. Like, comment, subscribe if it did. This is Generation Unravel, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.